What's up everybody? Hudson Mendoza here, photographer, videographer, and social media content manager for Autel Robotics. We're here at 2022 CES. I'm just going to give you kind of a walk around our booth. So you come right here, we've got just a little cage for our drones. We're going to be showing the Nano and Lite. We've got three versions of the Dragonfish. We've got the standard, the Lite, and the Pro Dragonfish. We've got our Nano and Lite display. We've got the Nano Plus and the Lite Plus, and of course the regular Nano and Lite. We've also got a table full of our EVO 2 line. We've got the EVO 2 Enterprise, the EVO 2 640T, and the EVO 2 Pro. Okay, so that is our booth at CES 2022. Come see us at 18416. We're gonna be here through Friday, and we'd love to answer some questions or anything that you have to ask. So come on by, we'll be here.